Hello, English 111 Online, Spring Semester 2018, Shaw University. Welcome to Week 12, yay, of this online class, March 26th through April 1st. What are we doing? Well, actually it doesn't look like much, but it is a little bit. So what we're doing is that we are going to complete the peer reviews of Paper 2. Okay, and then you get to working on the final draft based on the feedback you got. So really to understand what's going on this week, we need to look back at last week. So last week, you were asked, well, assigned, I guess, to upload your first full draft of Paper 2 here. That's for me to give you feedback. And then here. So same paper, two different places. Now, when you submit it here, then I get it, I will look through it, and I will give you feedback as your instructor. Okay? That is what I do. So you get feedback on what you need to address for the final draft. Now we're doing the same thing here, except for instead of getting help from just me, you're getting help from your peers. And you get to help your peers. Yay! So, again, you should have uploaded this. If you're not sure how to do this, watch the video from last week. It explains this. You're going to upload your paper here, and then you're going to respond to two people. And you're going to respond using the questions that are found right here. Again, these questions, once you download the thing, these are the questions that you're going to be looking at when you read their paper. And you're going to make notes on, okay, did they do these things? What things do you recommend that they should be doing to make it better? When it comes to writing, it's always helpful to have somebody else look at your work. Because what's going to happen is that you're going to give feedback to these folks here, and you will receive feedback on your paper. So by the end of March 30th, which is when this feedback is due from students, you'll have not only my feedback, which you'll get back a lot sooner than that, but you'll have the feedback from the students. So you'll have at least 3 people, in theory, be able to look at your paper and give you things that you can work on before you turn in the final draft. Okay, in addition, before you turn in the final draft, I encourage you strongly, so if you go to the top of the page here, there is free tutoring help. Even for online classes, Shaw's Writing Center can help you with papers. To set an appointment as well as to find the best way they can help you, call that number. Again, this is free. You should get their help with every paper you submit. So before you finish your final draft, so you have my feedback, you've had feedback from students, contact the Writing Center, get help. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's a thing. Do the thing with the thing, yeah. It's very helpful. Okay, so let's go back here to this week. So basically that's what's going on this week. You'll see that there's like, oh, I don't have to submit anything this week. Well, you do, because it's actually part of this. Because we uploaded it here, but I will go in here and see if you did the work for this, and that'll count for the work that we're doing this week. Again, every week we have to have something due, and that's how we mark attendance. So if you've done something for the week, it's not just enough to log in. You have to do something for the week. The assignment is for the week to be counted as attending class. So that's what's going on for week 12. So again, get your feedback done. There is readings in Odigia, which are, again, showed that again if you're not familiar with that. Review that from the video from last week, because I kind of went over that again in detail. But that's basically it for this week. And then get ready to finish up your final draft, and we'll submit that next week, which we'll talk about. All right. Have fun. Have a good week.